Hey everyone, welcome back. So today we are going to discuss another LeetCode problem statement, that is summary ranges. It's a LeetCode problem number 228 of easy category. So here we have given sorted unique integer array, and what we have to return, we just have to return smallest sorted list of ranges that cover all the members in the array exactly. So basically here you have given an array, and what you have to return, you just have to figure it out the sequence. For an example, 0 to 2 is one sequence, so you have to mark it there. 3 is missing, but 4 to 5 is one sequence, so you have to mark it there. 7, it's all alone, and the last index, so it will keep 7 only. So let me quickly jump to the board and we'll discuss the approach. In order to solve this problem statement, we are going to use list of string. Okay, so this will be our where we will be holding all sort of data. Along with that, the first variable we will have start, that will be the first element of this given array, that is 0. Another thing we need is end, that we have to calculate. So whatever array we have given, let me quickly write it down. So it is 0, 1, 2, 4, 5 and 7. The indexing will start from 0 and it will go up to the length. Okay, length minus 1. Perfect. Let's say I. So iteration will start from first index. So it will check whether the previous element, that is 0 plus 1, in order to calculate the sequence, right? 0 plus 1, that is 1. So here it's same. So we don't have to worry, and we will increment the value of I. Again it will see whether the previous element, that is 1 plus 1, that is 2, it's same. So again it's in sequence, so we just have to increment the value. Now we'll see like the previous element 2 plus 1, that is 3. We are expecting 3, but what we have, that is 4. It means this is not the sequence is breaking. So how we will calculate the end? So the current index is 3, right? 3 minus 1, that is 2. So whatever value we have at this 2 position, that will be your end. So here it will be 2. So in the list, you just have to update like this. It's a string, right? So it will easily hold it. So this is now what you have to do. Again, you just have to update the S value. So S will come at this position. So what is the value for start? That will be 4. Now I will come at this position. So again, it will check previous, that is 4 plus 1 is 5, which is equal. So we are good. So it means it is in sequence. Again, I will come at this position. So here again, it will see like previous, that is 5 plus 1, 6. We are expecting 6, but we have 7. It means sequence is breaking. Already we have a start, that is 4, and how we will calculate the end, that is current index minus 1, that is 4, right? 5 minus 1, that is 4. Fourth value whatever we have, that is 5. So what we will do, we will simply add this one in the list. So it will be 4, 5, and whatever last element we have, right? So it will be as it is 7. So this is the step we have to follow. So let me quickly jump to the LeetCode compiler and we'll write the code for the same. So as we have discussed, we have to use list. So I'm just going to create one variable and it will be of array list. So let me write it down. Now, by any chance, if the length of this array is 0, then what we will do? Simple, we will just return the empty list. After that, whatever we have discussed, the first variable, that will be nums of 0. So nums of 0 means whatever first element will have, right, that will become start. Now iteration will start from index 1 and it will go up to the length. So I should be less than or equal to, okay, nums dot length, and each time it will keep on incrementing. If the value of I is last, okay, I mean the length is equal, or if the current element, if it is not equal to the previous means nums I minus 1 plus 1, it means the sequence will break. If sequence will break, then only we have to calculate the end. How we will get the end? It will be I minus 1, same thing which we have discussed. Now by any chance, if start value is equals to end, then what we have to do? Result, we just have to add this start. You can add either start or end, or else what we have to do, simple thing, in result we have to add. And how we will add? It will be, we just have to concatenate this and end. Okay, at the end, after this, still if we have some sort of elements left, right? So what we will do, which simply we will move the start. So start will come at the current index, which we have seen in the example, and at the end we have to simply return the list itself. So let me quickly return list from here itself, that is result. Let me quickly execute this code and we'll see whether it's working properly or not. So here we have to store it in a string. So what we will do is string dot value of, and then we'll pass this start. Let me execute this code again and we'll see whether it's working properly or not. Okay, so all the two test cases passed successfully. Let me submit this solution. Okay, so all the 34 test cases passed successfully, and this is the approach we have to follow in order to solve this problem statement. If you like the video, do subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching. Enjoy your day.